Hiya everybody, nice to see you again. We're in Margate this afternoon. Yeah, it's a lovely day. It's a little bit blustery, so I've got my mic tucked in to me jumper. We're out on a super duper e-bike. Lucy's there terrorising all the dogs walking across the beach. It is an absolutely beautiful day today, as you can see. Blue skies and a few little white clouds. It is absolutely beautiful. We've had a nice cycle ride all the way down there, and then we're going to go back on a cycle ride again, and then we're going to go and try and get something to eat, fish and chips or something like that. We'll see. There's a few dudes over there. I think they're camper vans. We'll go and have a look, see what they're up to. Any sort of like tea stalls or anything like that. A sandwich stall will do me fine. Hey Lucy. You're a little terror. She's literally been terrorising everyone. Right Lucy, shall we put you in your little basket? Because you're a little of a basket case. Right, come on in. No, we're not walking, you're going in the basket. This way. Yes, come this way. Right guys, I'm going to stick her in a basket because she's going to be a bit of a handful, so we'll catch you there.